What's up, everybody? I am currently fueling up the boat and listening to large strikes of thunder and lightning over that way. But I really want to do some spearfishing today, and something tells me I might end up in a storm. But it's okay because Dan will be joining me. So if we're gonna get caught in a storm, at least I won't be alone. Do y'all see what's brewing above my head? You hear it? The thunder is still rolling, but that's only because Dan showed up.
It's that time. Storm chasers.
Yeah, we're storm chasers. That should be the new YouTube channel. Probably won't catch a fish today, but we might end up in a huge storm.
Yeah.
But boat's fueled up, we got the spear guns done. Time to set sail.
Oh, just in time for the wind to kick up.
Oh yeah, the wind just kicked up.
Nice.
What's going on? Look at them trees blowing.
Perfect, after it's been still all day. Yellowtail down the bottom.
Okay, we have made it out to the reef out here right off of beautiful Key Largo with that beautiful storm brewing right behind us. But crystal clear water. We got a chum bag out the back. Gonna let it get a little chummy for a bit, slowly get our gear ready, and then we're gonna slide on in. All right, let's go. Nope, I'm just scaling him real quick. Yeah, I figured I'd get it done with. What a beautiful time out there, getting back out on the reef, and we even came home with a little bit of lunch. So excited to get back into the summer spearfishing. Good vibes, good times, beautiful water. And we will be shooting something big this year. But we got some olive oil. I'll just pour the rest of it in here. Get rid of that. And we're gonna take our fish. This right here is a sailor's choice, which is a type of grunt. Very delicious fish. And the best part is, I already took the guts out and the gills out while I was in the water. That is honestly the best place to do it. But do be careful, because I have had shark just swim up to me and try to grab the fish out of my hand. So just be aware, no one tries to sneak up on you. So we just kind of dried it off a bit. We're just gonna use one simple but effective ingredient, and that is salt. In this case, we got ourselves some pink Himalayan salt, and we'll just salt our fish, drop it in the oil. Oil is not even hot yet, but oh, I haven't even turned it on yet. Wow. All right, we will just turn that on, wait for it to start sizzling, flip it 1, maybe 2 times, a little more salt, and then we're gonna have a nice, whole, crispy, delicious lunch. Y'all hear that sizzle? Let's give her a flip. Oh. Woo! Snapple, crackle, pop. All right, let's put this bad boy on a plate. We got a nice crispy golden brown skin and meat. Should be good, I think. Wait, let's give it the old fork test. If the fork goes right through the meat and it kind of flakes, you know it's done. Oh yeah. That is definitely, you know, it's extremely firm, like way too firm. They actually have pretty tough skin. I thought the skin would have been very crispy and edible, but this skin looks extremely tough. Just a little bit of olive oil and some salt. How's it gonna taste? We about to find out. But first, I have some exciting news that I've been dying to share with you that I've been working on for years now. But Boat Daddy is officially in the Apple and Google stores. And if you guys want to check it out, it's free to download. The way it works is if you own a boat, you can be a boat daddy. Or if you want to get on a boat, just sign up as a normal user. Set exactly what you're looking for. I love wakeboarding. I don't have any wakeboard friends, so I can look for someone that is into wakeboarding. Or I fish alone a lot, and sometimes I just need a buddy on the boat to help me run the rods, make my offshore fishing trip just a little bit easier. Or maybe I'm just tired of going to the sandbar parties alone and I just want to bring some girls with me. Boat Daddy, baby. Use the app however you want it, and I am sure you will make connections that last for a lifetime. But let's give the fish here a chance. And the thing is, it's extremely tough. I don't know what's, like, the skin is very hard. I need 2 hands to remove the skin. So I'll just do it right here. Yeah, I don't know, the skin is very tough. Flavor is good. All right, so I went and I just kind of peeled back the skin to reveal that beautiful white meat. Ooh, a little fork full of white meat. Let's see how it tastes. Whoa. That is very different than what I was expecting. That almost tastes like lobster, and it's not flaky at all. It's more of like a lobster texture. Is this because of the way that I cooked it, or do they always taste like this? This is a Sailor's Choice grunt. Let me know in the comments below if you like eating Sailor's Choice grunts and your favorite way of cooking it, and I will read your comments, and next time I catch one of these, I will pick one of your comments and cook it your way, because this, even if you look at the meat, it's kind of like, it's not flaky, it's more stringy like lobster. What? Tastes like lobster. All right. I like it. I'm actually a big fan. I would say big success. And I gotta give a big shout out to Killshot spear guns. That's the spear gun that I used. And if you're interested in my spear gun, I'm gonna link in the video description below. If you wanna go take a look at one, that's what I shoot. Killshot spear guns, and Ed, the owner, awesome guy here in the Keys. You'd be supporting a local company. But I'll catch you guys on the next episode. Cheers.